It's crashing time! Woohoo! You should be in Cannonball Run!
What the?
Ow, my ass! Coming through!
Sad day for generic character.
Ow, my head! Ooh, the vibration's tickling my feet. Can't you see I'm driving here? Watch it, I almost spilled my sundae.
How'd you...
I have no insurance. Wow, this car sure can take a beating. Eat my dust! Oh, Mr. Burns is behind all this. Evil spying is so like him, that wrinkled old monkey skeleton. I am so smart. I am so smart. S-M-R-T. I mean, S-M-A-R-T.
Hey!
Mr. Burns is spying on everybody. We've got to follow him.
Not now, Homer. A new violent video game has hit the streets, and we need to get rid of it before it warps any children with its bloops and bleeps.
But that game sounds awesome.
And therefore should be destroyed.
I guess.
Oh!
Sweet! Let's do this thing!
Look! No hands!
I'm a lean, mean speed thingy!
Ow! Whoa!
Ooh, the vibration's tickling my feet.
Whoa! No, no, no. Oh, no. You don't do that.
I am evil Homer. I am evil Homer.
You almost nicked me. I am so totally embarrassed. Oh my. If only kids would play more video games about sharing.
Marge, you know I abhor crazy plans. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go spy on my boss. In your face! Woohoo! Can you come and get me? I'll pay you in back rubs. Oh, I swallowed my gum. Oh, out of control.
Hey!
Lousy, rotten karmic retribution.
Hey, Homer. You look like you're having one of your trademark adventures.
Danger! Mr. Burns! Mini cameras! Black vans!
Oh, good thing I'm drunk.
Stupid drunk! Oh no! He's going to warn Burns! I can't believe I'm racing the same guy twice in one day! Let's do this thing! Homer hates losing! Homer smash! Chest pain! Having chest pain! I am excelente! He used the cheat code! Looks harder than it is. Damn it, I dropped my kebab.
Eat dick, buddy. Yeah, you like that, don't you?
I am evil Homer. I am evil Homer. Just call me Air Homer. Woohoo! Okay, that's a lawsuit. I didn't do it. As soon as I'm done scratching myself, your history. And people say I'm slow. Wait a minute. That was an insult. Mark did it. Eat my dust. 2, 4, 6, 8, you suck, I'm great, da 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 da, you I hate.
You watch Kale Tight shouldn't tangle with me.
Piece of cake. Cake. Homer hates losing. Homer smash. Homer go boom. Lousy, rotten karmic retribution. I blame society. I have no insurance. I'm a lean, mean speed thingy. Oh, now I have a wedgie. Nothing lasts forever. Possessions are fleeting. It was like that when I got here. Nothing lasts forever. So long, suckers! Take that! No! See, Montgomery Burns, I know you're guilty. J'accuse! Sir?
Fine, I admit it. I had Amelia Earhart's plane shot down. That hussy was getting too big for her jodhpurs.
No! You're spying on Springfield with your black vans and surveillance cameras.
Black vans? Aren't they connected with some sort of pizziola concern?
What? They were only pizza vans? I'm a Class 5 idiot.
Smithers, release the hounds. And if this oaf is an employee of the plant, fire him at once.
I'm so talented and good looking.